Today you will see very many interesting things in New York City. Let's go. Let's walk in New York City, and I have a question. Is that an Oscar statue? Really? So this is I'm in shop. I like these noodles. Who like these noodles? I like any Asian food. What do you think about it? I know this very many calories, but I like it. Very. Strawberries, I think it's cheap. It's King's Highway and this is me. I'm going to check my lottery. I'm not win, unfortunately. Let's begin from the top. My name is Vasily. I'm 36 years old. I'm living in New York City. Soon will be 4 years. I'm originally from Russia. My first language is Russian, and here I'm trying to win some money. I'm not win, unfortunately. I try to learn English language. This tomato, it's my favorite. It's very perfect smell, and its smell and taste is very good. Price $1.99 for a pound. It's like half kilogram. 40, 50, 4, oh my god, 453 grams. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm on shop like Marshall's, TJ Maxx it's called. It's very many interesting things here inside. And it was very many people inside too. It was Friday. I don't know why so many peoples. Here I turn camera. I don't know why. Here I'm on Target shop. Who know this Target? It's shops in USA, and here I see very many interesting and tasty things. I want to try everything, and soon I buying. You will see what I will buy. Everything. This I take this one. It cost $3 like 75 cents 79. I don't remember. Tomorrow I want to eat that. This I tried. It's very tasty, but not so. I don't like it actually. I tried this one, but I don't want it anymore. I saw that in Simpsons. Homer Simpson ate that. This chocolate, very good quality. I tried, really. This is something interesting, something new for me. I don't saw that. I don't try that. What is it? I don't know. For what it? I don't know too. What we have next? Looks for this price. Wow, X M&Ms. On Russian language, it's M&Ms. Who look at me, who knows Russian, they understand. This is on Russian M&Ms. On American language, M&Ms. What is it interesting? I don't remember, and I don't try that. What we have next? I want to eat. When I watched that, I want to eat eggs. What? Reese's eggs. Interesting looks. I need to try that. Kit Kat, its price very big. I think $10. Like $10. To me, it's expensive, I think. But I like chocolate, of course. It's my favorite food. What is it so nice? Wow, it's food too. Yeah, this is food? Yeah, it's food. Wow, looks so nice. I need to try that. Oh, I like it. What is it? Chocolate inside. Interesting. It's very heavy. It was very heavy, really. What we have next? So in Target shop we see very many interesting things which I need to try. What I buy? I bought this and chocolate eggs. I want to try, and this is like blue color. Interesting. I tried blue color chips. Oh wow, looks very nice too. Rabbit, pink rabbit. Wow, interesting. How tasty is it? I want to try. Costs not too much, I think. Yeah, it looks beautiful, I think. Very nice. What will we have next? What is it? Interesting. Chocolate, I think. This looks good too. What we have next? Oh wow, I don't tried that. I want to try. Kinder Joy. I never saw it before. Yeah, it's white chocolate. This I buy. I buy one of this. This one. No, no, not this one. What's in my hand? This one. I buy this one. I bought this one. I need to tell correctly. If you see, I'm trying to be correct. It's blue chips. I have this at my home, but I don't like it. This was Vasya from New York. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day, nice evening, nice night. Bye bye.